Here's a 6,500 BTU Kenmore air conditioner made by WCI. This unit is from, I think, 1995. Yeah. It's in January of 95. It's the one with the energy saver. We'll fire it up. I think this has a Matsushita compressor. I'm unsure of the fan motor though. These are real quiet. This one was pretty dirty when I got here, so I took the front grill off, cleaned the filter, wiped down the coils, cleaned the grill. The grill had some broken slats, so I just kind of popped those back in place to make it look a bit more presentable. Side panels, I think, are still original. They're in great condition. I added a drain hole in the back to keep the coils from rotting out. Go out back and have a look at this. On the low fan setting, this thing is dead silent. It barely makes any noise at all. Here it is. It's in direct sunlight. The coils need a little bit of help. I think that is, well, let's see if I can get a look at the label. Yep, that is a Matsushita rotary. So we just look at the fan motor. The vents on these are angled upwards, I can't tell. Very quiet though. Maybe one of the quietest window units you'll ever see. I personally really like this. This has the peach colored case, which matches the siding pretty well. You can see there's the drain hole that was added. Put it right underneath the fan. It's typically where I like to put them. There's the factory one, which this thing was not dripping at all when I came here, but it was sloshing. It had a bit of water buildup on the side vents over here from sloshing. Compressor on this one's a little bit noisy. This isn't the quietest Matsushita, but the fan is so quiet on here you won't hear it. Medium. And high. And here's the normal function. This one just works so well. So, 1995 Sears Kenmore window air conditioner with WCI. Not much to see here.